5 natural collagen-boosting foods for women. Over 50, a real solution for wrinkles and low energy. Let me ask you something personal. What if your tired-looking skin, morning sluggishness, and lack of vitality weren't simply due to aging, but to something more manageable, even reversible? Recent research is uncovering a quiet truth. Your body's collagen engine begins to slow down silently once you pass your 30s. But here's what most people don't hear. There are ways to switch it back on. No needles, no serums, no expensive routines required. Hi, I'm Dr. James, and welcome to Healthbook, the place where graceful aging meets natural wisdom. Today, I'll show you 5 everyday foods that don't just delay wrinkles. They can boost collagen naturally, revive your skin's glow, and bring back your inner strength. One of them tastes like dessert, but acts like internal skincare, and the science behind it will truly surprise you. These are not trendy fads, but real nutrient-rich collagen boosters specially beneficial for women over 50. So if you've been searching for a way to age beautifully from within, this is your moment. Stick around and let's explore how to restore your glow one nourishing bite at a time. Want to find out what it is? Before I reveal it, leave a comment below sharing where you're watching from and how old you are. Let's see how many of us are choosing to protect our strength as we age. And don't go anywhere, because coming up next is a simple but powerful tip. Now let's get started. Peach gum resin. Let me introduce you to one of the most underrated treasures from nature's beauty arsenal, peach gum resin. You might not have tried it yet, but once you understand its deep benefits for skin health, hydration, and even energy restoration, you'll wish you had discovered it sooner. Peach gum is a naturally occurring resin that seeps out of the bark of wild peach trees. It dries into translucent amber-like crystals and, once soaked and cooked, transforms into a soft, jelly-like texture that's as enjoyable to eat as it is nourishing for your body. What makes peach gum so remarkable is its high concentration of galactose, a type of natural sugar that plays a crucial role in collagen glycosylation, a process that helps your existing collagen become stronger, more elastic, and more structurally sound. In simpler terms, it helps your skin retain its firmness, smooth texture, and natural plumpness as you age. This means fewer visible fine lines, better hydration, and a more youthful glow, especially important for mature skin that's prone to dryness and sagging. But that's not the full story. According to research published in the Journal of Functional Foods, the polysaccharides found in peach gum have an impressive ability to lock in moisture and reduce transepidermal water loss, TEWL, the invisible evaporation of water through the skin. TEWL is a leading cause of dryness, dullness, and irritation in aging skin. By addressing this, peach gum helps create a more resilient, hydrated skin barrier. For even more powerful results, pair peach gum with ingredients like snow fungus and pear. Snow fungus, often referred to as the plant-based hyaluronic acid, has long been used in traditional Chinese medicine to deeply hydrate and strengthen the skin barrier. Pear, on the other hand, brings in quercetin, a potent antioxidant that protects collagen fibers from being broken down by oxidative stress, environmental toxins, and free radicals. Let me tell you about Susan, a woman in her mid-60s who came to me looking for a gentle, all-natural remedy for her persistently dry, puffy skin and constant fatigue. She was reluctant to try anything invasive or chemical-based. I suggested she try a simple chilled dessert made with peach gum once a week. After just a month, she excitedly reported smoother, firmer skin, less puffiness around the eyes, and, most importantly, a noticeable boost in her morning energy levels. For the first time in months, she wasn't waking up tired. Preparing peach gum is incredibly easy. Start by soaking 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried resin in filtered water overnight. By morning, they'll expand into jelly-like pearls. Rinse them well, then place them in a pot with soaked snow fungus, thin slices of Asian pear, and a bit of rock sugar or honey for a touch of sweetness. Simmer everything gently for about 20–30 minutes until the mixture is soft and aromatic. Chill before serving for a refreshing, cooling dessert that's not only delicious but incredibly restorative for your skin and energy. This simple, nourishing recipe can be a game changer for women over 50 looking to support their beauty from the inside out, without relying on creams, serums, or expensive spa treatments. Cacao and chia seed pudding. Now let's move from one natural miracle to another. Cacao and chia seed pudding. A deceptively indulgent treat that's more than just dessert. This combination not only delights your taste buds, but also provides a powerhouse of nutrients that improve skin firmness, elevate your mood, and enhance the quality of your sleep, all of which are essential for aging gracefully. Let's begin with raw cacao. Unlike highly processed chocolate, raw cacao is rich in flavonols, especially epicatechin, a compound shown to have direct benefits on collagen production and skin elasticity. In a 2006 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, women who consumed high flavonol cacao saw a 15% increase in skin density and better hydration levels within just 3 months. These effects are due to cacao's ability to enhance microcirculation in the skin, protect against UV-related oxidative damage, and help maintain the integrity of the collagen structure that keeps skin firm and resilient. Next are chia seeds, tiny nutritional dynamos packed with tryptophan, an amino acid crucial for the production of serotonin, your body's feel-good hormone. Serotonin eventually converts into melatonin, the hormone that regulates deep restorative sleep. And it's during this stage of sleep that your body initiates most of its collagen rebuilding and skin repair processes. So by supporting restful sleep, chia seeds are indirectly supercharging your skin's regeneration cycle. In addition, chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, minimize redness, and support a stronger skin barrier. They help your skin stay hydrated and elastic, while also guarding against environmental stressors that cause aging. The soluble fiber in chia also improves digestion and gut health, something that often gets overlooked when talking about skin health. For added benefits, sprinkle in a couple of Brazil nuts. These are one of the richest sources of selenium, a trace mineral that fuels your body's production of glutathione, the master antioxidant, known for reducing oxidative damage and slowing visible signs of aging. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day are enough to meet your selenium needs. No need to overdo it. Let me tell you about Lydia, a client in her early 70s. She had been struggling with thin, fragile skin and poor sleep for years. After incorporating cacao chia pudding into her diet every other night, she noticed within weeks that her sleep became deeper. Her skin began to feel thicker and more resilient, and she woke up feeling more refreshed. Her mood also lifted noticeably, proof that beauty and wellness are tightly linked. Making this nourishing treat is incredibly simple. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk and stir in 1 teaspoon of raw cacao powder. Let it rest in the fridge overnight to allow the seeds to absorb the liquid and form a smooth pudding. In the morning, top it with a few chopped Brazil nuts and a handful of fresh berries. What you get is a luxurious, guilt-free treat that feels indulgent but delivers deep, science-backed skin and sleep benefits. This isn't just about beauty. It's about empowering your body to heal and regenerate naturally through foods that work while you rest. For anyone looking to age vibrantly and maintain glowing skin, this pudding deserves a spot in your weekly rotation. If you're still watching or enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Cordyceps infusion. Let's talk about an ancient remedy that might just become your new nightly ritual. Cordyceps infusion. If you've been waking up groggy despite getting a full 8 hours, or if your energy feels drained no matter how clean you eat, this could be your missing link. Cordyceps, a functional mushroom long used in Eastern medicine, isn't known for its taste, but when it comes to restoring vitality, it quietly packs a punch. This medicinal powerhouse is one of the most underrated anti-aging foods because it works deep within the body to fuel energy, enhance oxygen use, and protect collagen. At the cellular level, cordyceps increases ATP production, the core molecule your body uses to generate energy. More ATP means more cellular fuel for repairing tissues, supporting immunity, and maintaining firm, elastic skin. It also boosts your levels of superoxide dismutase, or SOD, a potent antioxidant enzyme that helps defend your skin's collagen from daily damage. In fact, a 2016 study in the Journal of Food and Function found that adults under physical stress who took cordyceps showed a meaningful increase in antioxidant activity and a significant drop in fatigue. It's not just theoretical. Cordyceps truly revitalizes from within. One overlooked benefit? Sleep. Collagen is made most efficiently during deep sleep, and cordyceps helps your body use oxygen more effectively at rest, leading to deeper repair and more rejuvenating sleep cycles. For an extra collagen kick, pair it with cinnamon. Simmering cordyceps in warm plant milk with a hint of cinnamon brings in cinnamaldehyde, a natural compound that's been shown in lab studies to stimulate the expression of type 1 collagen genes. It's a quiet, potent blend that nurtures your skin, energy, and resilience overnight. I once received a message from Rosa, a woman in her early 60s, who swapped her usual herbal tea for a cordyceps cinnamon blend before bed. Within 2 weeks, she noticed her mornings felt lighter, her joints less achy, and even the puffiness under her eyes had eased. That's the magic of cellular recovery. Making it is simple. Just simmer 3 grams of cordyceps powder in a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk, add a pinch of cinnamon, and warm gently without boiling. Sip it about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's not flashy, but it quietly works through the night, giving your skin, energy, and sleep a noticeable upgrade. Started returning, and her knee pain eased too. Food can truly be medicine. How to use it? It's easier than it sounds. Soak dried sea cucumber overnight in clean water until it softens. Simmer with a mushroom broth, fresh ginger slices, and a bit of sea salt for about 30 minutes. Serve warm as a nourishing collagen-boosting food. It's restorative, grounding, and deeply satisfying, especially if your body feels depleted. Sea cucumber soup. Let's talk about something a little unexpected but incredibly effective. Sea cucumber soup. If the idea sounds odd at first, don't worry. You're not alone. But this sea creature has quietly earned its place in the world of anti-aging nutrition, especially for those focused on joint support, skin firmness, and recovery after stress or illness. While not a plant or fish, sea cucumber is a marine animal prized for its gentle flavor and powerhouse nutrient content. It's collagen-friendly, pescatarian-safe, and one of those overlooked foods that genuinely help your body regenerate. The magic lies in its rich supply of chondroitin sulfate, a compound essential for building and maintaining healthy collagen networks in both skin and joints. It draws moisture into connective tissues, improving elasticity and making skin appear smoother and more lifted. A 2013 publication in the Marine Drugs Journal showed that sea cucumber extract encouraged collagen production and lowered oxidative stress in fibroblast cells, the very ones responsible for collagen formation. So yes, this marine ingredient has real science behind its beauty benefits. It's also excellent for recovery. As we age, our bounce back slows down, whether from a cold, surgery, or just a tough week. Sea cucumber has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support tissue healing, reduce joint discomfort, and give the immune system a gentle nudge. It's loaded with glycosaminoglycans, which cushion the space between cells, helping skin stay plump, hydrated, and flexible. For even more benefit, simmer it with shiitake or meitake mushrooms, which bring immune-balancing beta-glucans and skin-supportive vitamin D2. Toss in some ginger, too. That's your inflammation fighter, helping protect collagen from breakdown and making the whole soup even more soothing. One of my clients, a woman in her late 50s recovering from pneumonia, added this soup to her routine twice a week. Just 3 weeks in, she told me she felt like her strength and radiance were returning. Her complexion looked healthier, her joint stiffness eased, and her mood lifted. She said, "I finally feel like my body's rebuilding." And that's exactly what nourishing foods can do. Want to try it? It's simple. Start by soaking dried sea cucumber overnight in fresh water until it softens. Then gently simmer it in mushroom broth with sliced ginger and a dash of sea salt for about 30 minutes. Serve it warm and enjoy it as a deeply restorative, collagen-boosting meal. Whether you're healing, aging gracefully, or just need a little internal reset, this soup delivers. Horsetail and nettle tea. Let's move to number 5, horsetail and nettle tea. If your hair's been thinning, your nails keep splitting, or your skin feels more fragile than it used to, this simple herbal infusion might be just what your body's craving. These two ancient plants, horsetail and nettle, have been used for generations in traditional remedies, and now science is beginning to validate their benefits. When combined, they form a nutrient-rich tea that gently supports collagen development, reduces bloating in the face, and revives dull skin. Horsetail is especially known for being rich in silica, a trace mineral that plays a vital role in converting inactive collagen into the kind your body can use. Think of silica as the ignition key for your collagen engine. Horsetail can contain up to 8% silica in its dry form, and research shows that consistent silica intake boosts skin flexibility, locks in hydration, and strengthens connective tissues like tendons and skin. It even helps with calcium absorption, which becomes more important for bone health as we age. That's why horsetail is fast becoming a go-to ingredient in natural collagen routines. Now, let's talk about nettle. Often mistaken for a garden nuisance, nettle is loaded with nutrients your body needs to make and protect collagen. It brings vitamin C, iron, and anti-inflammatory plant compounds to the mix. Vitamin C, in particular, is the star player when it comes to building collagen. It activates enzymes that stabilize collagen strands and make them stronger. So, when you combine nettle and horsetail, you get both the structural support and the cellular tools to strengthen skin, reduce hair thinning, and restore nail strength. A study from 2017 in Pharmacognosy Review found that nettle's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities can significantly improve skin healing and resilience. I remember a client named Margaret, a retired school teacher in her early 70s, who was skeptical at first. But after drinking horsetail and nettle tea twice a day for a month, she noticed her nails stopped cracking, her hair felt fuller, and her skin lost that dry, paper-like feel. "I didn't change much else," she said, "but this tea became my daily must-have." It's often the small, consistent habits that bring the biggest results. Want to try it? Just add 1 teaspoon each of dried horsetail and dried nettle to a teapot or infuser. Pour in hot water, not boiling, and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and enjoy once or twice a day, preferably between meals. It's a soothing and simple collagen-supporting ritual that may be the quiet fix your beauty routine is missing. You don't need luxury products or trendy treatments to bring back your natural radiance. Just 5 simple, collagen-supportive plant-based allies. From the refreshing peach gum treat and cacao chia blend to the energizing cordyceps brew, restorative sea cucumber soup, and mineral-rich horsetail nettle tea, each one helps rebuild your skin and energy from the inside out. These remedies aren't fads. They're backed by science, trusted by real people, and gentle enough for daily use. No stress, no hype. Just the power of nature working in harmony with your body. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. Your support helps us reach more people looking to stay strong and healthy as they age. Comment what's your age and from where you are watching from. We love hearing from our amazing community. See you in the next video.